see the light. The essential question of this unit is how can we channel sunlight cheaply inside? Here's a video of a group from the Philippines that does this with old bottles. Then we looked at some units from Great Britain, and then this is a fancy unit that channels sunlight inside from Colorado. The engineering design process was followed. First of all, the students learned how to measure light using a cell phone app. Then they sat down and designed their own unit. And then now we can see some students that are going to be working on their unit.
That's almost impressive. Yes.
Here's some more students here. Measuring
Professor.
as they go.
Hi, teacher.
And now we have some students doing their final presentation. Here's one of the units in action, focusing the light, and another student here during their presentation. They were quite successful. Here are now some student testimonials on their experience.
We're part of the engineering design process.
Learning the engineering process of like learning how you can refine things, and then how you can like have an idea and expand the idea and to like better it.
Oh, very good. Okay, so you learned about how to measure light, and was that relatively easy?
No, because with our first model, it actually was longer and it had a smaller tube inside of this one, but it was losing way too much light. So
Okay, now how did you measure the amount of light?
well, we used the lens, and we had a LED flashlight, and
And you used
the
a cell phone app,
cell
right?
phone app.
Yeah, yeah.
And we kept measuring, like, if we put the tube in farther or farther out, how much light was getting lost a day, and so that's how we
Yeah.
came up with this.
Okay, that's good. Would you like to add anything else?
No, math is life.
Okay. Now, how many times did you have to go through the engineering design process?
About 3 times.
About 3 times, right? And so, as you went through it, did it just make more sense?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Like you start if you have like a piece of paper with the entire design process on it, but then as you keep going, it just makes a lot more sense after like the second or third time.
No.